Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the problem when you see an error saying Netflix has encountered a problem. So let's get started right away. If you're using Netflix on your web browser or through the application on your Android or PC, then you might see a message sometimes which tells you that Netflix has encountered an error. In order to solve this, all you need to do is check your internet connection. This error occurs mostly when your internet connection has become unstable or just went out for a while. You can try hitting the refresh button on your web browser and see if that solves the issue. If it still doesn't work, then you can try turning off the Wi-Fi and turning it back on once again and connecting to your Wi-Fi network. And now all your shows and movies should be running just fine. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to solve the issue of Netflix encountering a problem on your PC as well as your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.